Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 LDV D90 stock number 6673. This ran from 11th 2017 to the current shape. It has a 20L4E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 20L4E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right rear 19-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,